Question 2. Can you distinguish between the subordinating and coordinating conjunctions given below? A. And, but, so, that. B. So, although, for. C. If, nor, yet. Frequently asked questions. Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction, definition and meaning. A subordinating conjunction links a subordinate clause to a main clause, as in, he came here because he wants to meet you. Subordinating conjunction example sentences. A. The teacher didn't let me in because I was late. B. I'll tell you if you conceal it. C. Think before you speak. D. You can understand it, provided that you work hard. E. She is better than he is. Is when a subordinating conjunction. Yes, the word when is a subordinating conjunction, which shows time by connecting a subordinate clause to a main clause, as in, inform me when he comes here. Is and a subordinating conjunction?